Carlo and the Rubik's Cube, can you do it?
Let's see what I can do.
43,000 ways. Just gotta find one.
Just gotta find one.
How tough can it be?
Oh dear. This is very, very confusing. You should try a different color because this is. I'm trying to get things in the middle, get things on the side, and I'm not getting anywhere. I don't even know if I'm making progress. See, now I'm making it a lot worse. See?
It's going backwards.
It's going backwards for me here.
That's the
It's not working out. It's... Oh.